Wish me luck. Fingers crossed. Hopefully I can catch a speck or two out there. Thanks for coming back. Alright, so just got here, just pulled up. Cody's landed a nice big one a few minutes ago. He says he's missing a fish about every cast, so we're gonna switch it up. Threw a spoon on it. He's smacking him with a spoon, so I'm gonna change it real fast. Doesn't look like we're wade fishing. We're gonna fish off these rock groins, so I'm gonna might do a quick switcheroo on a couple stuff.
Go over and look at them.
What's up, buddy?
Got another one while I
Did you?
talked to you.
Did you?
While you was out there, yeah.
I told you leave me some. You don't listen. You never listen to me.
I'll bring it to you. No, I got you.
I came off the hook already. About 20 foot of green water.
That one? That's not bad, huh?
Actually, I think that's the one.
You think so?
Not bad at all.
Yeah, I mean, I caught this one right after you called me.
Dang, he's still kicking.
Yeah.
I don't think they're gonna leave there.
Let me see. Where's he at?
About a